Hello, Roosevelt Rough Rider distance learners. This is Mr. HB here. We're working on communication as a soft skill to help you guys develop the skills you will need to be active members in a distance learning community as well as in your professional and personal lives. Quickly, we're going to run through, you should be able to see my cursor, run through the expectations for all distance learners in science classes and really all your classes. Number one, communicate with your teachers at least once per week. That can be done in email, through Teams. You can submit work. Really, any communication is good communication at least once per week per class. Check your email and Teams once a day. It's the first thing I do when I wake up, after I make my coffee. Check your email and your Teams and respond. You should respond to teachers or students who are contacting you within 24 hours, 48 hours maximum. When you start a new conversation with a teacher, please start with a greeting. Here are some examples below. Sorry to bother you, Miss Barrero. Hello, Mr. Adewusu. Greetings, Miss Simmons. Hey, Miss Asrat, etc. When you end a conversation, end with a salutation. Thank someone, appreciate someone, see you next week, etc. One other thing, and we'll dive into right now, is how to write an email or a message in Teams. I'm clicking over to my email so I can show you. First thing, click New Message. This is Outlook. You can use Gmail, whichever you prefer. I will send myself an email to my Gmail. The first thing you will do is add a subject. Please put a subject in your heading. Message from HB. That is me telling me that it's a note from me. That way we know who you are. 2. Greetings. Hello. Rock star. Type in the message. You are great. End with a salutation. Oh, I missed something. Start with, this is Mr. HB. That way we know who you are. If your email is Nightwing7577. This is Mr. HB. You are great. Have a wonderful day. HB. There you go. Now you're ready to click send. Please note, it has a subject, it has an introduction or greeting, it tells us who you are, it has a topic, whatever you need, and then finally it has a salutation. This is a great way of recording, of messaging your teachers. Make sure you stick to this path and you'll be all set. Communicate with us. Have a great day.